Court is in session. Court is in session. This honorable court, Judge Clark presiding. We call the defendant Mr. Brown and the accused Mr. Fanso to this honorable court. And Mr. Fanso, you will take the stand. Your Honor, sir. I am guilty with explanation, sir. Sir, Your Honor, I've been talking to Mr. Brown for the past 2 weeks, sir, about controlling his dogs. I told Mr. Brown that I cannot sleep at night because of his 2 dogs. I have suffered 2 strokes in the last 2 years, sir. I am troubling from arthritis. I have a pain in my back. And I can hardly walk. Because I have blood pressure. I am troubling from sugar. And I cannot control myself of the amount of sweets that I am eating, Your Honor. So when it come at night, I cannot sleep very well. So I spoke to Mr. Brown about controlling the dogs because they have been disturbing me at night and I cannot sleep well. So I take it upon myself to give them a tooth in a sardine to keep them comfortable. And that is what I did, Your Honor. Your Honor, I cannot even afford a lawyer at this time because, as you know, the little pension money cannot manage. I can hardly even find food to eat with the little pension money, more or less to get a lawyer. So that's why I am here speaking for myself, because I cannot afford a lawyer, Your Honor. Your Honor, I want you to take a look at this medication. Is for my pressure. I even walk with it today because if the thing get escalate, I might have to take 2 to calm my nerves. So that is why Mr. Brown take me to court today, because of his 2 dogs. Okay, so I have nothing more to say, Your Honor. I am not guilty, sir. I am not guilty at this time. Mr. Fanso, I have heard what you have said, Mr. Fanso, and I've taken into consideration what you have said, and I will look into the matter and see how this honorable court can deal with the matter very quick. Your Honor, those 2 dogs were my only friend at home. Those are the 2 dogs that take very good care of me at night. They watch. They watch the place, Your Honor, so that thief can't come into my yard. And yes, they have to go out and look a little something at night and end up in Mr. Fanso yard, and Mr. Fanso kill my 2 dogs. Mr. Fanso killed them because word on the street that the dogs went over to Mr. Fanso yard. And I was looking for them in the morning and couldn't find them. And it's in Mr. Fanso yard I went and see them. Lifeless, Your Honor. Lifeless. So it must be Mr. Fanso. And I saw 2 tin of sardine beside the 2 dogs. I didn't even bother to test them to see if anything put into it, yes or no. But I assume that Mr. Fanso put a little extra thing into the sardine. That's why my 2 dogs has passed. And Your Honor, those 2 dogs, I love them, Your Honor, I love them. They're like my children. Mr. Fanso, I need my 2 dogs. You have to replace them. They were like my children. But Mr. Fanso doesn't like dogs, Your Honor. Mr. Fanso talk over and over. He does not like dogs. And I know he's Mr. Fanso. But it now go so. It now go so at all, at all, at all. It now go so, Your Honor. It now go so. Mr. Fanso, this honorable court has heard your plea, and I am Judge Cloth, and I will look into the matter and see what you have done about those 2 dogs. Mr. Brown, this honorable court has heard your story and has heard Mr. Fanso's story. And all I can say is that both of you are neighbors and you need to go into mediation and sort out your differences. This honorable court is not able to help you at this time. I don't see where Mr. Brown is wrong, and I don't see where Mr. Fanso is wrong. There is no evidence to prove that Mr. Fanso has killed your dogs. You are only speculating. There is no evidence to substantial claim. There is no evidence of what you are saying at this time, Mr. Brown. If you had presented the evidence, then the court would have seen it in a different manner. All I can see is 2 elderly people that cannot live good and need to go home and make amends of their differences and start to live good. This is not the time to waste the court time. We have a lot of backed up cases from COVID. So we don't have time for this matter right now. This is like foolishness coming to the court. You could have sorted out this at home. Why wasting the court time for this? You could have sorted out that at home. Why you bring the Mr. Fanso to court? The defendant need to go home and sort out his difference with the accused. This court is adjourned.